guys, I hope you're all well. So, wait, I think I said that in the last video. It doesn't matter, I do hope you're all well. Anywho, today I'm going to be showing you how to make fried rice within 3 simple steps. They're the 3 main steps really, because there are bits and bobs that we do in between, but they're nothing major, so never mind. The 3 steps are... I forgot. Wow. You know when you just keep talking and then what you were supposed to say just flies out of your head, but you just keep talking anyways? Oh yeah. Frying, seasoning, and cooking. So we're going to be frying the vegetables, seasoning using soy sauce, and mixing the leftover rice I have from the other day. So at home we have something called an odl. I think it's called here mortar and pestle. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. But anyways, I don't have anything like that, and I can't be bothered to peel the garlic individually, so I usually use the back of the measuring jug and just smash it, and then the peel just comes off naturally. This is what I usually do in the odl, but you know, don't have it, so... Okay, the tip from my mum that she gave me when I was younger was to always fry. Is it frying? Is it sauteing? I'm not sure, but like just heat up the frozen vegetables on the pan until the water dissolves. I'm not sure if this was to destroy any bacteria that was on, that was in the package, or if it's so that the final rice isn't like watery or for the vegetables to cook faster. I have no idea. All I know is she does it, so I do it, and I've always been doing it like this. And voila! This is the final product. Sorry, I didn't know how else to put it. But in all honesty, this dish took me like 10 minutes. No, less than 10 minutes to even make. But that was because the vegetables were frozen and I already had leftover rice from the other day. And all I needed to do was just add in some onions and flavour it. But yeah, that was it. Oh, and I added a fried egg, by the way. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. And if you wanted to add any meat, like chicken or fish, you could do that after frying the onions. I mean, I don't know how else to better. Like, this is really easy to make. Oh, I wish I had some spring onions, because I usually always have spring onions with fried rice, but never mind. I had chili oil. I made do what I had. That's it then. If you like this video and want to see more, then hit that like button, and if you have any questions, just comment below. Bye guys!